In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite Steam friends to games. First, let's make sure everything is set up so your invites work smoothly. Open Steam and let it update to the latest version. Steam typically updates itself at launch, so if you see an update prompt, allow it to complete. Log into your account to avoid any connection or permission issues. Next, set your status to online so friends can receive your invites. You can do this from the Friends chat panel by selecting your status. Finally, confirm the game you're playing supports Steam multiplayer invites. Not every title does, and some only allow invites from specific menus or lobbies, so check the game's multiplayer or friends menu before moving on. If you haven't added your friend yet, you can do that right inside Steam. At the top of the app, go to the Friends tab and choose Add a Friend. From there, select Send a Quick Invite to generate a shareable link. Copy that link and send it through email, a messaging app, or social media, whatever you both prefer. When the recipient clicks the link, Steam will prompt them to add you as a friend. Only share this link with people you trust, and if a link stops working, just create a new one from the same menu. Once you're connected as friends, inviting them into your game is straightforward. Click the Friends chat icon in the bottom right corner of the Steam desktop app, or go to Friends and select View Friends List from the top menu. Search for your friend or scroll until you find them, and make sure they appear online or in-game. If they're offline, invites won't go through. Right-click their name and choose Invite to Game. If you don't see the option, it usually means the game or your current session doesn't allow invites yet. In that case, ensure you're in the game's multiplayer or lobby screen where invites are supported, and that your friend is on the same platform within Steam. That's all you need to start playing together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.